Hello, Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the such stands for EDC gear. If you hear anything in the background, it's the show Mom. I like that show. And today we have a soda that I really wanted to try, and you can see back-to-back videos on sodas because I have to have a bunch of Chinese sodas to test out and try out and see how they are. And this, let me turn up the lighting, is Coca-Cola Peach. And it says right here, Coca-Cola Peach Sparkling Water. I think that's what they call soda, basically. 2022. This bottle was designed and its logo and labels. Not the soda. Soda is good for 9 months after the expiration date, which is October 11th of 2024. So we got some time. July it expires because that's 9 months after. Always tap the top of the bottle so it doesn't explode. This is what the logo looks like on the wording for the Chinese Coca-Cola. And make sure it is Chinese really quick. Yeah, product of China. Oh, it smells very fruity. Might not even, I don't know, we'll see. Let's take a swig and then find out if we like it or not. I rate this a 7.6 on the low and a 7.7 on the high. It is decently good, but you do get more of the fruity flavor than the Coke itself. Let me take another swig and let you know for sure. It is good. I changed my rating from a 7.8 to a 7.8. It's very good. I recommend trying the Chinese Coca-Cola Peach. It is very good. You can pause to read the ingredient label if you so choose. And knife in the video is the Flytanium Arcade G10 inserts, aluminum scale, S35 VN blade, stonewash, and nice little fly for Flytanium. Let me know, and the shark lock. Let me know what you think of the soda in the comment section below. If you had it, how did you like it or not like it? And let me know what you think of this knife, if you have it or don't have it, or just what your opinions are. Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day. Be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. Enjoy the hobby. Hopefully get something good, decent, collect what you like. Look out for the guy, girl to your left. Look out for the guy, girl to your right. Hashtag be up. Hashtag DSKFS. Choose love, not hate. Enjoy your friends, your family, your pets, your yummy food, your music, your video games. Enjoy yummy drinks. And use your sharp blades. Bye.